So what is going on, my dudes? It is the time to continue trading. Okay, I made a triple shot. Yeah, I think it's gonna be that because we quite a bit live on the level already. Yep, we've got some room for the grab, but yep, that was a mistake. Oh my god, it was not. Come on, it was not. Okay, I see those. I just needed like 2 to 3 more seconds. Okay, that isn't such a big deal. I can allow myself to lose a grand or two. It doesn't matter. So as for today, I plan to make at least 8. Maybe we're gonna try go 12. Well, let's see where it gets us. But let's see where it gets us. Because if we're gonna have some beautiful trends, that means I'm gonna have some beautiful cash up our wallets. Boom, the first one goes in. Okay, we've made back like 70% of what we've lost. That's great. Gonna make a couple more. That's a dip. I don't really want to follow a dip because there's got to be a buyback. I have a buyback in 3, 2, 1. Not yet. Okay, so the dip ain't over. Yep, it's quite a bit volatile now. I'm seeing a lot. Yep, it seems that we're just gonna stay at the level of 20 and it's gonna be bouncing up and down. So I've got to find an ice point. I found my ice point. Boom, there we go. A triple short goes in. I don't really see a possibility for a buyback here because we've got no trend at all. We're just on the level of 12 or 20 and that's it. Okay, that's another one. Found an ice point. Abused it. Boom. There goes yet another bounce. It's not a bounce at all. Yep, it's not a bounce at all. There is no clear trend. We've quite a bit jumped to the level 40, but it doesn't really mean anything. Okay, so it seems to be the lowest one. I'm gonna make 2 goals from the lowest one. There we are. There we go. Fine. Like a lot. Boom. And there we are. 2K in profits. Let's get it going. Fine. I'm gonna continue doing the thing that I do the best. Scalping. That's a breakthrough candle. Yet another bounce. I don't really like to follow the surges of price because they are volatile, and I want to make my cash system based. I just don't really want to gamble it up. I don't want to gamble. Let's stand on the same level. Can we break it? Yep, we can. We can. Value time high. Okay, sell the buying. Yeah, the boing is just does the boing. A double shot on my ice point. I'm seeing the decline. I'm seeing the decline of the stochastic oscillator. That only means that we can try to make some shorts. Yeah, but there is a possibility for the grub, but we've got to risk it. Boom, there goes the dip. Guys, we followed the surge of price. We've hit the ceiling, and boom, there goes the dip. A classic thing. Okay. Okay, so far so good. Can I say that I don't like it? But I would really prefer just a straight trend instead of that bullshit. Because the surges are okay, but they're hell volatile, as I said before, and not as stable as the default trends. A triple shot gets in. I'm not really sure about it. Maybe I've got to hedge it with some calls. I'm glad that I did not. Okay, it's 8.5. I've actually made it. Okay, so let's try to make it 12 because, well, we spent only 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes or so. Get it going, get it going. Yet another dip. I'm waiting for a buyback. I've got to have a strong buyback to... They don't really seem to be the breakthrough candles. There might be a small dip right afterwards. Yeah, that's a fake buyback. It's just a surge of price. Okay, so it seems to be the highest point. I think we're just gonna redo this scenario. We're gonna be falling to the level of 20. Yeah. Okay. So okay, it really is a buyback, a small one, but it is one. Fun. What do we have here? We kind of got the level of 20 right there. I don't get it. I don't really see it. Let me me think. So the price doesn't really move anywhere. Sorry, but don't have a trend. Still don't have a trend. 5 minutes past, we don't have a trend. Oh my god. We gotta wait. We gotta wait for an opportunity. I'm gonna try it out with the call. Guys, we're like hanging around the level of 80. Trying to break it, trying to touch it. And it seems to be like the low point. And boom, there it goes. Okay, there it goes. And grannies in the hand. We didn't break it. Okay, so the buy doesn't really have its strength to break the level of 80. But it's not going to be a super uptrend. I can expect a dip of a price. I could have made a shorty out there, but I'm not really sure about it because it just bounced back again. So the buyers are fighting the sellers. What can I do about it? I can just wait up until it clears off because it's just going sideways. There is no way I'm going to predict the next candle. Like, okay, it seems to be the highest point. So I can try to make some shorts. And would we have them? Oh, yeah, we would. No, we would. It's cool. Boom, bros. 2 grand in my dot end. It's another one. It's another one. It's another one. That doesn't really seem to be a surge. Yep, it's gonna be decline. Can we break it? Come on, can we break it? I just want to get a super uptrend out there. For a minute, just for a minute, gotta make a shit of calls. It seems like it, so I'm gonna risk it with just one. Because, well, yep, it seems that it has gone through, but it just might be a plateau on top. I hate being unsure. I hate being unsure, but I've got to risk it. It's another one going to be falling down to the levels of 60 to 40. But I don't really know if it's going to happen in a few candles or just one. Yeah, it's a dip. It's a dip. It's a dip. It's a dip. Oh my god, it's going sideways on the scale. Okay, so if it's going sideways on the scale, I can gamble it up with some calls. Because we're just on the edge of a mountain of price. You can see it on the oscillator. It is the time to get some grow. We didn't really have it, but we've made it the lowest point, so it's cool. 10 grand in a wallet, can I make 12? I can try to. I'll try to. So, okay, in the worst case scenario, I'm just gonna quit with 7. Guess why not? I'm gonna quit with the profits. And gonna allow myself to fall down to back to 5. Otherwise, I would have to trade for some more time. Let's get it moving, let's get real, let's get it clean. A triple count gets in, and it seems to be a loss. Yep, thank you, PL. I've just made it in the nick of time. It has dipped the next second. Thank you, PL. Very cool. Yeah, thank you for the loss. I should have quit with 10 and end the video. Oh my god, my greediness has taken me. It's taken me away. Okay, so let me raise the amount. I'm gonna try to gamble it up with 5-second deals. Because I'm impatient. I'm impatient if we're trading with resurges. Well, we can try to fall alongside him. Because 5 seconds on expiration time fits it real well. If you are trading with inside of a surge market. Well, I think that realistically you can try to switch to like 5 to 10 seconds expiration time, and it's gonna be good. It's not gonna be as volatile as it usually is, because most of the time, if the surge like bursts out, you've got like 5 to 10 seconds up until it's over. So it's reliable. Yep, I should have switched. I should have switched all than that. But I just thought that there was gonna be an uptrend or a downtrend, you know, the default strat. What do I do? It's uncertain. Yeah, the surges can be uncertain as well. A triple shot, it goes in. Boom. Do we have it? Oh my god, just barely. Thank you, God. Yeah, thank you, God. That's a payback for all the losses that I've had. Boom. Yet another one. Is there gonna be a buyback? I've gotta have some breakthrough candles. I don't really want to follow that dip because it's almost over. Yeah, it's almost over. I could have followed it, but nah. It's a way too big a risk. Besides that, the candles are already small and slow. So it's almost over. Each and every candle could be the last one. Is it a buyback? Not yet. I can try it, yeah? Can I get it? Just a bit? Oh my god, I've been blessed. Yeah, I've been blessed. It's just a pure luck, bros. No way, no fucking way. Okay. Okay, that's a break for one. Can I make another one? I'll try to make a few calls out there. Wait for it. Wait for it.